Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. This is what my hair looks like once I'm done curling it. So if you guys want to learn how I get my hair like this, then just keep on watching. This is my hair. It has a dent in it because I had a ponytail in it. If your hair is naturally wavy or curly, I don't recommend straightening your hair and then wanding it because for me personally, it does not stay in my hair. It falls out within like 2 hours. So it doesn't hold the curl if your hair is naturally wavy and then you straighten it and then curl it right after. Your hair's already pre-straightened. This is really important. It's heat protector. This is one of my favorites. It's by L'Oreal. It's called Sleek It Iron Straight Heat Spray. Also hairspray. This is the one I use. I'm actually kind of running out of it. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. But this is the one I use. I just really like it. I like how it smells. And then you're gonna need a detangling brush and a hair tie. This is really optional. You don't need this, but this is what I use to separate my hair. The main part is a wand. This is the one I use by Hot Tools. I don't know the exact name of it. I've had this for a long time now, but I love how it wands my hair, so I just use this one. You could probably get it at Walmart, Target, Amazon. You could literally get these anywhere. I'm gonna show you guys how I wand my hair. Separate my hair. I do 3 sections. I do above my ear. So what I do is I just get this section and I tie it off at the top. First thing I do is I get my heat protector once I've sectioned my hair and I spray this, focus it more on the ends of my hair, and then I detangle it to make sure there's no knots. I'm gonna separate this in 3 sections, so I don't do my sections too thin. So I'm gonna get my wand. I have this on the hottest setting, which is extra hot. It's 10. That depends on what your hair is like. I always do the hottest setting on any heat tool, so yeah, I have it on the hottest setting, but you could probably just do high. You want to make sure you don't burn your neck, so you put it under the hair and you just wrap it really carefully. Make sure you don't burn your neck or your fingers. I also don't hold it super close to my hair root because I don't want to burn my scalp. Let's see. So I'm going to do this section now. I'm doing the exact same thing. I have my wand, put the wand behind the hair, and wrap it very carefully. Hold it for more like 10 seconds. I just counted this one. So I'm gonna do this section and you just wrap it. Probably be easier if I didn't have this claw clip bothering me. Before you move on to the next side, you want to hairspray it. I'm gonna take this claw clip out and I'm gonna switch it for a scrunchie because it's kind of getting in the way. Usually it doesn't get in the way, but for some reason today it is. So I'm gonna get another hair tie. After I do this layer, I'm gonna change this out for a hair tie. Now onto the next side, we're doing the same thing. We're gonna separate it into 3 sections. So here's the first one. It's obviously on a different side, so it's a little bit different, but instead of holding it this way, I'm holding it upside down. Make sure you get all the way at the top so your hair fits. Let for 10 seconds. Once you get the hang of it, it's a lot easier to do. I don't really think about where I'm parting it or how I hold the wand anymore just because I do it so often. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Here's this side, and now I'm gonna hairspray it. I get my scrunchie and I'm gonna tie this hair in the back. I do this to separate my hair, that way I don't accidentally mix it up with my hair that's straightened. So yeah, I just tied it in the back and it looks like this. On to the next layer. With this one, I kind of go up from my eyebrows and then this section. So I just wrapped it around and then I get my hair tie. Repeating this step, I'm getting my heat protector and I'm spraying it. Make sure you get the ends of your hair. Now I'm just detangling it. So now I split my hair in half and I'm gonna start wanding it again. Just doing the exact same thing that I did before, where I get my wand, put it under the hair, and wrap it around. I'm gonna do all of my hair since it's just the same step over and over again. And once I finish this section, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the top. Here's the middle section done. As you guys can see, my ends aren't really curled. My hair's long, so it doesn't really reach the end. When I wrap my hair around, it's already at the end of it, so it doesn't reach it. I don't go back and wand the ends. If you want the ends wanded, you can do that. Done with this layer. Also, I have not separated the curls yet. Also, this does not take long at all. I'd say this probably takes 10 to 15 minutes. Really thin last section. You're gonna get your heat protector. Spray the ends. Also, if you see steam coming off of the wand, it's not your hair burning, or if you keep it on too long, it might be. But when you don't keep it on that long and you see steam coming off of the wand, It's just the product that you put in your hair. It really just depends on the angle that you're doing the hair. If it feels uncomfortable to do it like this, then I would recommend coming in from the top. I'd say this is probably 4 sections of hair. So I'm gonna go in from this side. There's this piece. Now I'm gonna do the next one. So I'm just wrapping it around until it reaches the end, and I hold the little piece of hair that I have there. Okay, I'm gonna hairspray these pieces. I'll let the rest of my hair down because I don't need to have it separate anymore. Here I have the front framing pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my wand and I'm going to pull them back, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to wand it. Yeah, it kind of just gives volume. So this one's not really curling how I want it to, so I'm just going to do it like this. So now that I've curled the last pieces, I'm going to hairspray it again. I also want to brush them out. You can do the other side too. The front framing pieces, it kind of depends on how you want it. You could do what I did, where I got the main 2 front framing pieces and I wrapped it like this, or you could go on each side and wrap it individually. I'm gonna put some hair oil in it. This is totally optional. It also makes the curls look softer if you want them to. That is how I wand my hair, and I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!